I had hip issues for, I want to say, at least 4 or 5 years. My hip flexors were getting tighter and tighter, and then I want to say about 2.5 years ago, it just started to get really bad.
13 years ago, I was in a car accident and tore the ACL. I felt a pain I had never felt in my knee before.
My left knee was extremely bad, where it was being drained every 2 weeks, and it finally got to a point that there was nothing else they could do.
It was affecting everything I did. It got to the point where I was just walking like the Hunchback of Notre Dame. There was no normal anymore. It was pain.
The pain was constant. There wasn't a day taking a step, going up and down stairs, just walking the dogs. It was always pain.
Sitting down wasn't like a sit, it was more like a fall.
A chiropractor that is a member at my gym suggested Kayal Orthopaedics.
I came in, I saw Dr. Kayal, he did some tests.
And the office was beautiful, and everybody was so nice and professional. And
he called me back within 5 days and was like, your ACL is torn. We need to, get you some physical therapy. We did that, and after we went immediately into surgery.
His whole thing is he treats the whole body, he treats the whole soul. He wants to make sure you're comfortable and you're moving. And it's wonderful that his whole practice is that way.
My training has always been to never treat the x-rays or the MRI or the CAT scan. You treat the patient. I don't care about their age, provided that the patient wants to live, have an active lifestyle, we're gonna do it for them.
I had a total knee replacement and had same-day surgery, came right back to work. Therapy was amazing, and back to doing everything.
The process was really easy. The procedure was fabulous, and here I am.
Dr. Kayal's whole team in the hospital from start to finish was phenomenal.
From scheduling to follow-ups to post-op calls on how you're feeling to how's your physical therapy coming along, like amazing team that Dr. Kayal has assembled.
After the surgery, I was like moving and back on my feet way faster than I thought I was going to be. I even went back to work a lot faster than I thought I would have.
I've seen so many patients' lives changed over the last 21 years, where they come back and hug me and just thank me for being able to restore that quality of life. And there's not too much that's more gratifying than that.
I was shocked. I didn't know how I was going to feel just even standing on it for the first time. And I stood, I had no pain for the first time in, I can't even remember, and got up and walked.
I couldn't have been happier. Like I at 8 months when he told me I was ready to go, I was super happy.
I can lunge side to side. I hadn't been able to lunge my right leg to the side without pain or even getting down low.
I'm extremely happy I had the replacement. It is just a quality of life, and it's like I was 30 years ago.
Like I tell everyone, Dr. Kayal's the guy.
I feel like I'm myself for the first time in a really long time.